Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So we are hopping straight into this video because I am so excited to test out something that was sent to me. Today we are going to be testing a very expensive product sent to me from Influencer for testing purposes. It's a FOREO. I can't even believe I got approved for this box, but Influencer has sent me a FOREO. This is my little card from Influencer. I can't even believe this. So here is the FOREO. This is the FOREO Luna 3. It's for normal skin, I guess. It says it's new. I'm not sure how new this is, but it says it's new. Okay, I have to figure out how exactly I open this box because I am not sure, but I'm gonna go film a TikTok and I'm gonna figure out how to open this. Alright, I've got it open. This is what it looks like. It feels very soft. Oh, it comes with a FOREO serum. I'm probably not going to use this yet because I really just want to test it out with my actual skincare first, but good to know. Okay, so for this device, you have to get an app, and I did get the app. I have the FOREO app. This is the power button. It's connected. That's so crazy. There's like a whole section of things. Alright, so I'm going to look at this for a second. We're going to take it into the bathroom. I'm going to bring you guys with me. And we're going to figure out how to use this suspicious character. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my bathroom. So apparently I'm going to have to hold you guys because my camera will not, like, the sensor keeps turning off the viewfinder so that I can't see what I'm doing. And so I'm just going to have to hold you guys. I already have the stuff on my face, so we're going to get going with this. I also don't have a foaming cleanser, and I don't know if that really makes a difference, but I don't have a foaming cleanser. So I just wet the device, and now we're just going to start. I think I'm moving it more than I'm supposed to. I think I'm just supposed to leave it in this section. Oh, it tells you when to move it. Okay. I should probably follow the instructions. This feels really weird and I don't know if I like it. I didn't do my forehead. Whoops. I think I was supposed to be doing my forehead that like whole time that I was doing like my whole face. So I'm gonna go rinse my face and we'll see what just happened. Okay, so I've just done my skin. I do look a little red right here and like a little bit on my forehead, a little bit over here. I'm a little red. My skin feels really soft and my face felt like a little tense after that, I will say. But yeah, overall, I feel like my skin feels pretty good. I'm gonna keep using it. I want to do like an update. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing and my first impression of the FOREO. I'm going to keep using this. I'm probably gonna use it every time I wash my face, and I will give you guys like an updated how it's going. But if any of you guys were wondering, this retails for $199. And so I am just so grateful that Influencer picked me to try this out. This is 1000% something I definitely would never have bought for myself. Heard great things about it, but it's $199. I'm not gonna spend that on my skincare. Of course I care about my skin, but that is just a lot. But yeah, what do you guys think? You guys think that my skin looks good? I don't know. I feel like I could fall for this. Like, this seems ridiculous, just absolutely ridiculous. But I could 100% see me falling for this and thinking that I need this in my skincare routine, even though I probably don't. But we'll see. So if you guys are interested in seeing my update review, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impression of the FOREO Luna 3. I post new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!